What you're about to see is so disgusting, you'll watch Game of Thrones to calm down. You have been warned.
Man, am I jealous of you guys. 2 weeks in Lima, Ohio with Patty and Selma, while I'm stuck here working. It's gonna be lonely, so lonely. Sam Eaton's home alone again. Food just tastes better in the bathroom now and then.
The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Maricopa County in Arizona until 6 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. National Weather Service meteorologists have detected a line of thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-sized hail, damaging winds, and wind gusts in excess of 70 miles per hour. People and animals outside can be injured. Expect potential hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles.
Frozen. Ah! My finger! My hot dog! My finger! My poor, delicious finger. Oh, wait a minute. I can't eat my own finger.
This is KPNX in Mesa, serving the Phoenix area. We are covering a very huge topic. Due to the storms currently affecting Maricopa County, moderate damage has been reported at the Palo Verde generating station in Wintersburg. If the plant has a meltdown, then it will be very devastating, since the plant quite literally provides power to residents in California, Arizona, New Mexico, and Texas. Possibly, the entirety of the states of Arizona and New Mexico will be without power. Meanwhile, residents in Southern California or the Texas Panhandle will be without power. However, this is only the case if it does have a meltdown. If it does, in fact, actually have a meltdown, then seek shelter and bring necessary supplies. Wait, what's that? Folks, we have a flash flood warning coming over the wire. Please.
The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a flash flood warning for Maricopa County in Arizona, effective until 5:35 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated that the severe thunderstorm, which was detected earlier today, is producing heavy rain across the warned area. The current rainfall rate is about 5 inches in diameter. Flash flooding is currently ongoing or is expected to begin shortly. Hazards: flash flooding caused by the ongoing thunderstorm. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding in small creeks and streams within urban areas, such as highways, streets, and overpasses, as well as other areas with poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Tucson and Flagstaff. Locations near lakes will experience localized flash flooding, as streams will overflow river banks. Turn around, and don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially conscious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flash flooding.
Come on, Mom. Yeah, Mom.
Please listen to this message. This is a very life-threatening situation. Not giving any attention to this message shall result in certain death. a nuclear power plant warning is now in effect for all areas within the vicinity of the Palo Verde generating station, located in Wintersburg, Arizona. Repeating, the nuclear power plant warning is now in effect. This is not a test. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the Nuclear Regulatory Commission. At 6:50 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a reactor at the Palo Verde generating station suffered a meltdown due to the current line of storms within the Phoenix metropolitan area. As of this broadcast, the event is currently ongoing. In order for your survival, you are advised to stockpile 14 days' worth of food and water. You are also advised to bring a first aid kit and rations of non-perishable food. Do not go outside without a gas mask, as going outside without a gas mask will make you ill and may possibly infect others. If you live near the Palo Verde generating station, or within the 10-mile emergency planning zone, evacuate immediately. This broadcast will now cease. Follow the set instructions, or you will face certain death.